Okay, I got that all nice and cleaned out, all ready to go back in. And I wanted to show you, see how they got the water line that goes up to the ice maker. They just have it kind of taped together here and wrapped around. It's probably a good idea to do something like that. Don't just let it drag on the ground, and when you push it in, pull it out, it gets caught under there, it gets pushed down, it gets kinked. You roll over it with a wheel next time you want to pull it out, and that works out just fine. Okay, and so now I'm letting this floor dry for a few minutes, and now I'm just gonna kind of take stock. What else could you do while you're in this mode for cleaning for your in your kitchen? Well, one of the things I put on the list was where the microwave is. After years, this on the top of this gets all sticky. This is all clean now. It got sticky. It got sticky up in here, and I can see I could put some orange English or something, or some other cleaner here. I cleaned this once with my Simple Green. Try to get as much of the sticky, greasy stuff off, and on the top here, and then on the top edge here, on the bottom edge of this, all the way across. Now it's all clean. It's probably never been cleaned before. They bought this house brand new, probably, I don't know, 17 years ago. I think that's the first time it's ever been cleaned up there. And since I cleaned this, I had some wire brushes and stuff, and I did the joints of the grout, and I'm looking on this floor. I've cleaned the grout lines on this once before, 4 years ago, and now I'm seeing in certain areas where the grout is getting kind of dark. See like right there and right there. I can see there's another dark line all the way down here. Motha, she uses a walker inside the house. Now, see, you can see where the dark lines are. Maybe I should put that on my list too. And for walkers, hey, I didn't know I was gonna go that far, talk to you about Motha's walker, but look, she's got another walker here, and she's got a walker inside the car. She's actually got one in here. She uses this one when she goes out if she needs it. Then she'll just use this one outside, and then she's got one for inside. If you only have one walker and you take it in, back and forth, in your garage, out to the garbage can, in your car, over to somebody's house, you'll realize after a while your tile floors are going to get dirty inside, your carpet's going to get way dirtier and stuff, because your wheels on your walkers are going to be dirty and they're going to be tracking stuff in. So she bought another walker, and one of the walkers she has is it lives inside. It doesn't go outside. I've seen her take it right out to walk to the garbage can, but she shouldn't even be doing that. But see, she still has tracks to a certain extent wherever she goes. But she's got her other walker inside here somewhere. I think it's over where she's in her office. In her office, see, there's the walker over there. She's got a nice walker over there, and that walker stays inside the house. And then, even to make things a little bit easier for her, she's got a chair that goes up and down. Right now, you can see that it's tilted up. Well, it's one of those electric chairs that helps her get in and out of the chair. Years ago, we asked her, "Hey, do you want one of those?" And she was like, "No, I don't think I need one," because she was thinking of the cost. Then my uncle passed away, and my cousin, she asked my mother, "Hey, we don't have a need for this. Would you like to use it?" "Sure, yeah," she'll use it now. She thinks that's the next best thing since sliced bread. She loves that thing. But anyways, back to my list. I guess I can cross. Man, I thought this list was going to get smaller, but instead I've got up to 20 items. I added 17, 18, 19, and 20. Oh, and 16. Bathroom sinks running slow, gap, garage screen door, spot clean carpets, license plate vibrating, clean sticky cabinets, doors above microwave. Now I'm going to add number 21, clean grout lines on the floor. And then I can cross one off. But see, it's always nice to get a nice little list going and just plug away at it, you know? Make things presentable around your house. Do some things around your house. And I know this is only one video, but you can go to my YouTube main channel page and you can click on playlists, and then it'll take you to another screen. Then you can scroll down through all of the different DIY topics on my YouTube channel that I show. And believe it or not, that's going to save you all kinds of money around the house. It will, I promise you, because my mantra, my message to everybody out there listening, and that is for you, is if I can do it, an average Joe, you can do it. You don't have to be an expert at anything that I show on my channel. In fact, if I have it on my channel, I happen to think that you, yes, you can do it too. Okay? That's why I post everything, I show everything, and you will know that if you see something on my channel, you probably can do it. If you put your mind to it, anything is possible. And I show you step by step. That's what my videos are, step by step. And I go over things, I explain things. Some people don't like it, some people love it. Some people say, hey Joe, just get on with it. I just wasted 3 minutes of my life, 5 minutes of my life, and they just wanted to learn one thing. But maybe on that particular video, I explained all kinds of stuff, and had they have listened, had they have wanted to listen, had they been able to listen, they would have learned a couple more things that they never would have seen had they have not turned on one of my videos, okay? So there you go. Now, this should be dry, and I'll get ready to push it in. Almost done with you. Clean grout lines, tile floor. I told you I was going to put her on my list. And this time, last time I did all of her grout lines, yeah, I used simple green, I used my wire brushes, I used my sponge and stuff. I did everything, and then I wiped down the baseboards and all that kind of stuff. This time, I'm just going to go. I'm just going to do the traffic areas for her, get it looking a little bit nicer, her cleaner. She comes once every 3 or 4 weeks. Hey, she doesn't get the grout lines. My word, you know, that's something above and beyond. But see, like out in this area, I'll just do the main traffic flow areas, and maybe right in there where she goes into her office, right in here, right over to the dinette area, and in front of here, just look for certain areas. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole thing, but it'll look 100% better. It'll look like I did the whole thing when I get done. Okay, remember that. Okay, I think it's dry enough, and man, I should have taken note how far out it was, so I make sure I don't push it in so far that I smash anything. I don't think I will though. I don't think I'll smash anything. I just get a happy medium. Get a happy medium here. Get it all lined up. Good grief. Okay. Oh, there. That's how far I should go just for that, okay? Now I can see where I probably should wipe down the front. You know, I'm going to wipe down the front little area on the floor and all that. Get all my stuff cleaned up. You know, that's a sign of good workmanship. Don't just leave it like this and leave dirty grout lines sticking out from underneath and that kind of stuff. If you're going to do something, do it right and make it look like you were never there when you get done. That's how you want it. Ah, there we go. It looks like I was never there, but you know and I know what we just did, and we feel better about it. All right. Okay. Let's see what's going on with this list. I can cross that one off my list. Now what? Clean out Motha's bedroom. What? Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And hey, have you subscribed yet? Please subscribe to my channel. Do yourself a favor and save some money around the house. That's what my channel is all about. See you next time.